Hey, what's up, buds? Today we're going to make some pickles with some cucumbers straight from the garden and maybe drink a beer. So here we go. Here is everything you will need to make Percy's famous pickles in the fridge. I have a little onion, some garlic, some salt, some sugar, about a half a cup. Here's all the cucumbers, a little bit of vinegar, some pickling spice and dill weed, and a bear beer. Now what we need to do here is just to start off by just slicing all these into little pickle chip style pickles, and then get them in the jar. Then after that we'll add all the spices. Now, it's time to add a little bit of garlic. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the entire bulb because I like garlic. It's still a little fresh, so it's not really coming apart very easily. Roll them right in. Okay, now that we have all that cut up and in there, what we want to do is add our about a half a cup of sugar. Then we'll do quarter cup of pickling spice. Add in one of those guys. Do quarter cup of dill. That should be good. Half a cup of salt. Not sure if that's too much or not. It probably might be. I usually eyeball things. And I'll do probably about a little over half of this. I usually do 50-50 ratio of vinegar to water. That's a pretty big jar, so we'll just do the whole thing here. Then use fancy filtered water. Rest up with water just about to the top there. And I will put the lid on. Try to give it a shake. And everything will settle over the next day or two in the fridge. That's pretty much it. Here those puppies are in all their glory. That's gonna be a real tasty treat there, buds. Looking forward to it. So I usually let these sit in the fridge a few days, and after maybe 2 days I'll give them a try. See if needs any more salt or vinegar or anything like that, and just to see how they taste, and then maybe give them another day. You can usually tell when they're ready to go. They won't be so green, they get a little more brown, and they're perfect. And they'll last maybe about a week or so, but they usually don't last that long, so give it a try. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, drinking beers and making pickles with my buds.